Hi everyone, I'm Laurent Masia, the Product Line Management Director for Managed Switches and ProAV at NETGEAR, coming to you from the great ISE 2020 show here in Amsterdam. I wanted to provide a quick update on all the ProAV initiatives we are showcasing here on the NETGEAR booth, but also on the SDVOE booth and dozens of our AV partners. So first, the products. With NETGEAR M43 and M4500 switch series, you can benefit from pre-configured, easy-to-install network switches for AV-over-IP system installations. From 1 gig Ethernet to 10 gig and now 40 gig and 100 gig Ethernet, NETGEAR switches simplify AV most demanding applications with an incredible IGMP Plus enhancement. So far, NETGEAR M series were plug-and-play out of the box for AV devices. But now, with IGMP Plus, multicast is entirely plug-and-play across the entire network, removing the complexity between switches. Well, after the products, here come the software applications. NETGEAR opened its M-series switch platforms to the AV manufacturers to let run their software applications or their management software directly on our switches. It removes the need for external controllers and it does streamline the installations. Of course, NETGEAR M-series also offers its API to the AV manufacturers and system integrators so that their management software can configure and monitor the switches as if they were their own products. So, with hardware and software, you see that NETGEAR really want to simplify AV over IP transition and enhance the overall AV customer experience. But you know, for ProAV, it's not only about hardware and software. AV customers don't buy products. They want to buy service and support. They want to trust a partner when things go wrong, and in AV, I learned that things often can go wrong. This is why NETGEAR is committing to an exceptional level of service and support to its partners and their customers. With a team of 100% dedicated AV networking professionals around the world, in the US, everywhere here in Europe and across Asia Pacific, NETGEAR is the only one networking vendor who really focuses on AV installations and support manufacturers, system integrators, consultants, and installers. This is why AV customers can trust NETGEAR ProAV switches. Well, now time for me to tell you to visit netgear.com/AV-over-IP. And if you want to reach out to our great ProAV engineering services team today, just drop us an email at proav.design@netgear.com. Thank you.